So you were in Australia previously. So
Yeah.
if you compare, say, facilities there and here, what is your say now concept?
Well, with medical facilities, we really have good facilities over here, and I'm really very happy with it because in Australia, I mean, you have to do everything by yourself. You do get support, but it's not like 24/7 sort of support. But here, it was like 24/7 support, especially with the medical staff and doctors, and like doctor was on call whenever you needed. The doctor was here, and yeah, everything was so fine and so good.
So Vaisali, you have cesarean section as you told. So usually it is a belief that we have to take a lot of rest after cesarean section. Say
And
months and months of rest. People advising. Second thing, it is very painful procedure. You can't walk for a days. You can't do anything by yourself. So what is your say message to everybody?
no, at that time Caesar was a very difficult, and whatever the technology they were using, but presently everything has changed. Caesar has nothing like Caesar. Caesar is not a big deal. When I was getting operated, I was having a thought it will take a lots of time, or I don't know, but I have seen my full operation. I have seen just they put a cut and they take a baby, and baby was crying. I was shocked. Within a 2 minutes they took a baby, and after that when I felt, I really felt. People are saying take a rest. People are saying ke, presently if you are not doing properly, then after a long time you will have a headache, you will have a backache, you will have a pain. But I don't think so. And as per the staff members and medical facilities, as per the technology, even second third day I was very comfortable. I mean, little bit pain was over there because it's a stitch normally, but not a that much pain. And today after 7 days I'm feeling very comfortable. I'm so happy that I can carry my baby, I can take care of my baby. I don't need once
Yeah.
anybody, and I'm so happy that if you become a mother, you have to take care of your baby.
Yeah, and
And
it is
I'm
a pleasant thing to
think,
tackle your baby.
so I prefer whatever comes through your way, Caesar or a normal. But technology has so changed, and if you use latest technology, and if you are having a more knowledgeable doctors, then you will have a less problems, less thinkings, and less rumors.
That is true. So basically, what is good for your baby and your say mother's problem, if your doctors advise whether it is a good to deliver a normal way or a cesarean way, it should be completely depends on a medical condition, right? So it is not a that this thing is bad and this thing is good.
And the most important thing I would really appreciate, because lastly when Dr. Sonal, when she check up me around 11 o'clock, she get a green fluid comes from my stomach.
Stomach.
So they decided to Caesar. But the most important thing I would really appreciate, I would suggest, and I'll do a lots of things, because they specially called a pediatrician, not a normal pediatrician. They called a
Neonatal.
neo pediatrician, and they took the decision at the time of the operation, because every minute, every second is a very critical sometimes.
Very true.
They took the very good decision at that time, and they called the special doctor, and within a 2 minutes they decided baby has not baby is not having any problem. He has not drunk any fluid,
Fluid.
and everything is okay. If the condition was not that, and if the normal pediatrician will be there, maybe there, so might be any more problem or criticality can be created. But that was very good decision. Every minute, every second, every baby is very important, and every mother's health is also very important. This was the very understandable and very mature decision. I would really appreciate this decision.
And lastly, there is a Planet Woman organization, right? So